Can I replace my Trane Baystat 239 thermostat with a Nest Smart thermostat without impeding functionality of my TRANE XL1200 heat pump system?
Sometimes HVAC issues that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The HVAC technician I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
This is a Trane thermostat model Baystat 239. The wiring is as follows: terminal X2 black wire, terminal O orange wire, terminal G light green wire, terminal Y yellow wire, terminal T purple wire, terminal R red wire, terminal W white wire, terminal U not used, terminal F pink wire, terminal B blue wireness, thermostat Y1 W1 Y2 W2, AUX, GCOB RCRH.
Is there anything else important you think the HVAC technician should know?
How do I wire the Nest?
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the HVAC technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Yes, you can use the Nest without affecting its functioning. I will type how to wire now. Old, new Nester red, RHO orange, O/by yellow, YG, green, GB blue, CW white, W2/OX2 black, T, purple, not used, tape off, pink, tape off, not used. The F and T were for thermistor and humidity sensor, but these are not needed with the Nest.
Thank you. I will connect the Nest as directed and will let you know later today.
Sounds great. Just let me know if you have any problems or need further guidance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.